I just want to present my completed garden journal so you can see what it looks like when it's all put together. So here's the cover that I made. It has the garden journal spine. It's made out of a cereal box, and I added some pockets on the inside. And these are the folios that are going to go inside here, one for each season. So we have spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And so the way I'm attaching these, I'm keeping it really simple. I just have these little rubber bands, and I'm just sliding it down onto the spine. And we're gonna open this folio up and slip it in onto that rubber band, and there we go. We have one folio attached, and I do the same for the others. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it too, so you can see how I can use it. So here I have a little pocket for my task list, another one here for notes, and then I could add some journal cards in there. And I have these cards that come with the kit. So my seed wish list could go here in planning. Oh, I've got another one there for planning. I'm going to slip that in there too. And then my watering log, my germination log will go in my tracking pocket. And then I still have another pocket right here for large items. It goes all the way in. And I have two more pockets on the back for ideas and important info that I gather along the way. So I'm going to go ahead and put my next one on for summer. There's my summer folio. This little bug here comes from my printable kit. I just used it with some Velcro to make a closure. All right, so we just slip this in underneath, same way. And we're going to add our tags and our journaling spots. So my notes are gonna go over here, tasks here. I have another journaling card. And more tracking papers for the weather, fertilizer log, growth log, pest control. I have a lot of tracking sheets for summer. And then of course you still have a pocket for ideas. You have another deep pocket here and another pocket on the side there, and two more pockets on the back for continuation, for more things that you gather. Now let's add autumn. There we go. Now our autumn tags, tasks, and notes, journal card, important harvest log, important information. I'm going to put that on the back. Let's see. Oh, let's put this one here. Okay, and then I'll put important information here. Harvest preservation ideas, I'll put that there. Okay, and we've got winter left. One more. I think I'm getting out of. There we go. Okay. There's a card for the side pocket. And let's say that for winter, I want to plan my garden for next year. So I'm gonna maybe draw it out on this graph paper and slip that in there. Okay. There's my task list. My notes, some lessons learned, ideas, dream garden, that could be under planned, expense log, tracking. Okay. Okay, and ideas, there we go. And then I've got extra pockets for some of the extra pieces that we have that we can use for decorating. Just gonna slip that in there. And there we go. Line up our rubber bands. It kind of covers the spine, but I'm okay with that. I really like the ability to remove the folios. And there we go. We've got spring. Can you see that? Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. There, it looks beautiful and it's very useful. I really think I'm going to use this. It's not just going to look nice on my shelf. It's actually practical, useful. I have a place to keep everything. Beautiful. I love it. I made this for myself because I wanted one. So I hope that you enjoy it too.